everybody. I'm just playing over here in Minecraft. You know, this is my New Year's special. I have to redo this video like 2 times, so that's why it's not gonna be anywhere near as close as the last video I made, but probably the first video I made. Because basically the problems were that I was recording in the iPad 2, and there was no way to get it to YouTube. And then I started recording in the iPhone 5 with the actual device that I'm actually using right now. But the thing is that I blocked the microphone. Go figure. Why must I do all those stuff? But I'm just here to blow up a bunch of things, say a bunch of other stuff, and then leave. This video is nowhere near being like the last video I made. I'm just gonna put some TNT and blow it up in the honor of New Year's. Oh, I thought I saw Herobrine. But you know, he's still just a legend. People say that he exists in all the versions. Some people say he only exists in the PC. And other people say that he doesn't really exist at all. But anyway, let's just blow this thing up. Let me just keep doing this. And so I'm just gonna keep doing this until I reach the limit. And it's really uncomfortable to record like this because I mostly like to use the iPad. But since on the iPad it doesn't work, then I have to use on the iPhone. But on the iPad it's way bigger, so I don't have to worry. It's really hard. But anyways, the reason I didn't make a Christmas video was because I was with my family. Last year I could make a Christmas video because I was with my uncle and aunt. I was with them in the state of Indiana, and this year I wasn't in the state of Indiana. I was in my normal home. So I didn't actually went to the state of Indiana this year. And since I have some little time left to make the video in New Year's, well, I'm making this video now. How can I place the blow? Pretty laggy or glitchy. I think it's glitchy. But anyways, I'm just doing this until I reach the limit of how high can I build. Cause really, I wanna have some explosion. This video isn't gonna be that long, since I've already done it 2 times. I don't just want to keep doing it. Whoa, the blocks just look so shiny. Well, looks like that's the limit. Then let's blow it. Happy New Year's! anyways, that's just about it of this video. And I'm thinking of making a server, so if you have any ideas, then comment. But I'm thinking I should make a faction server. But it's not for the PC, it's for the Pocket Edition. If I have the server done before I finish this video, then probably I'll put it in the description below, everything you need to know to put the server. And if you don't know how to put a server in Pocket Edition, look it up on YouTube. There's tons of tutorials on how to do it. You just have to do the same thing, except that you put the name, IP, and port, or as they say in the game, server address with mine. But if I don't have it ready by that time, then I'll probably put a comment in my newest video. It'll probably be this one, or just my newest video. A comment saying the IP means the server address, the name, and the port for you guys to join. So anyways, goodbye, and don't forget to leave a like, and if you want, subscribe. Goodbye.